Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making high protein strawberry oat waffles. These are gluten-free waffles, and you guys, this recipe might just blow you away. Today I'm joined by two of my favorite people.
Hello.
My daughters.
Hello.
These are our favorite waffles. They are easy enough to whip up on a weekday morning, I promise you. They're made with just rolled oats, eggs, and cottage cheese. The cottage cheese is the secret ingredient. It gives the waffles this really fluffy, light texture and a huge boost of protein. We're also flavoring the waffles with strawberries, and we're going to top them with a warm strawberry sauce. All right, I'm getting hungry. Do you guys want to go make some waffles?
Yeah.
All right, let's head to the kitchen. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. That way you won't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes.
We're going to start by making the really easy warm strawberry sauce. Add a 10-ounce bag of frozen strawberries to a skillet, along with 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Put the skillet over medium heat, give it a stir, and then cover the pan and let it cook until the strawberries are softened. Remove the lid and then use a potato masher or a fork to mash up the strawberries. Let it cook for a few minutes longer until the sauce is slightly thickened. And you can make this sauce several days ahead. Now for the pancakes, you're going to need 4 large eggs. We're going to make the pancake batter in a blender, but we like to crack the eggs separately so we don't get any shells in there. Pour those eggs into a blender. And next, add 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Be sure to use gluten-free oats if you can't eat gluten. 1 cup of cottage cheese. This boosts the protein and makes the waffles really tender. Strawberry jam and cinnamon for flavor. And then crumbled freeze-dried strawberries. These are optional, but they amp up that strawberry flavor without making the waffles soggy like fresh berries would. Now all you have to do is blend this until smooth. The waffle batter is done. It only took minutes to make, and hey, if my kids can make this, so can you. Spray your preheated waffle iron with cooking spray and then add the batter. If your waffle maker is smaller, you can do this in batches, and if you don't have a waffle maker, you can make pancakes instead, and I include all those details at the recipe link below. Cook these gluten-free strawberry oat waffles until they are golden brown and crisp. Now you can serve these all on their own, but we're going to top them with that warm strawberry sauce, and I like to add a dollop of that creamy cottage cheese. The cool cottage cheese with the warm strawberry sauce and that tender waffle, it is just the ultimate breakfast. It's a healthy waffle, but you would never know it. And hey, forks are totally overrated.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you give these high protein strawberry oat waffles a try. I've included below a link to the full recipe with all of the measurements, and I've also included a link to my website where you can find a ton of other stuff. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.